Thanks for calling Papa Lock. If you're locked out of a home or business, press 1. If you need a key or fob for a vehicle, or need a vehicle unlocked, press 2. For any other service, press 3. Great, there's no wait to talk to our dispatcher. Hang on while I transfer you.
This is Dash from Papa Lock. How can I help?
Hey, good morning. Well, I have a key for my truck, and I'm trying to find some help. I don't know if you can help me out. This key, the metal key is completely fine. The blade is fine, but the plastic head is broken. And so the chip that it was inside the black plastic is not working anymore, and my car don't let me turn on, or it doesn't let me do anything, but my key is okay. I don't know if you can help me out with that.
I see. That's definitely frustrating when the chip stops working. I can certainly help you get a quote for a replacement key. What's the year, make, and model of your truck?
So the year is 2010. The model one, it's gonna be F-150 LGT, and the make is Ford. Do you need the style?
I've got that as a 2010 Ford F-150. What's the color of the truck? And do you happen to have a working copy of the key? Or is that broken one the only one you have?
Yeah, it's the only one that I have. It's white.
I understand. So we're looking at a white 2010 Ford F-150, and that broken key is your only one. To make sure I get the right part, does your current key have buttons on it, or is it just a plain key?
Just plain key.
Got it. So it's a plain key without buttons. One last thing before I get your quote. Could you give me the address or a nearby landmark for where the truck is parked right now?
Yeah, it's Phoenix Restoration. It is on a company. Park it right there. Outside.
Thanks. I see a few places with Phoenix Restoration in different cities. Just to be sure, what city and state are you in right now?
Mobile, Alabama.
I've got that as Phoenix Restoration Services on South Florida Street in Mobile, Alabama. I'm just verifying that location now so I can get your quote ready.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
It's
your quote for us
truck.
to make...
It's not a company.
Gotcha. So this is your personal white 2010 Ford F-150 there at Phoenix Restoration and Mobile, and your only key is a plain metal key with the chip broken. Okay, your quote for us to make a replacement for your broken Ford F-150 metal key with transponder is about $220.50, and a technician can call you back in about 5 to 15 minutes to nail down timing. How does that sound?
Yeah, that's okay.
Great. So I just need a few more details from you to get this set up for you. Can I get your first and last name?
I have a question. How much did you say it was gonna be?
The total for the new transponder key is $220.50. You'll get final pricing from the technician, but it's usually very close to that quote. How does that sound?
Yeah, that's okay. You need my full name, right?
Yes, please. I just need your first and last name to get this started.
Okay, so first name's gonna be Carlos, Carlos, and last name is gonna be Ventin, Ventin. I am.
I've got that as Carlos Benton. For your phone number, can we use the one ending in fetch 610 that you're calling from?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, just to confirm, do you have your identification on you in a document that verifies your vehicle ownership, like a registration or insurance card?
Yes. I got a bill of sale.
That works perfectly. Okay, so I have you down for a lost key replacement for your white 2010 Ford F-150, and the total quote is $220.50. Our technicians are available now, and we'll get back to you in the next 15 minutes or so. Thanks so much for calling Papa-Lock, and have a great day.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. We'll have someone reach out to you shortly. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.